Why this delay? What is going on? You want to spoil my hard work? Do you know how I've tried in this world to get to where I am today?
Okay, good morning, sir.
See, there is nothing good about this morning. Don't greet me. I gave you a contract to supply 21 trips of sand and none has been supplied. And you agree? Excuse me, I'm talking. Ogibeto, if you do not want to supply those sands for me, please return my money. I am a very strict, serious-minded businessman. I don't play with I don't mix sentiment with business. Ibeto, please, if you're not going to supply this, give me back the money I gave you.
Okay, can I explain, please? Can I explain?
Sorry about this, sir.
See, there's nothing to explain. It's as simple as A, B, C, D. If you're not going to make the supplies, simply refund my money. Or you make the supplies. Okay.
Sorry about this, sir. The sand.
Excuse me. You'll be sorry for yourself when you and your entire family will get yourself in the police custody. That time you'll be sorry for yourself. Make the supplies or refund my money. Just imagine. Just one trip. Just one trip.
Yes, very full.
Full. How? See, Yeah, you people will not spoil my hard work. You will not.
Okay.
Don't call me that okay again. Una must spoil my hard work. What is this now? Eh? What is this? Take your time, oh. Take your time.
Okay.
Okay, your grandpapa left Nyash there.
Okay, look. What I'm saying.
Papa.
Mama, who is here? Mama, we are back. Oh.
Hey. Mama. Oh, my children. You're welcome. You're welcome, man.
Thank you. Let me take you to the backyard.
Hey.
Mama, have you seen that Ayaka is a good man? He'll make a very good husband for me.
Yes, I can say it. And he loves you so much.
Yes.
I've seen it.
Mama. Do you have water? Let me quickly go and fetch water for you.
Hey.
Before I go.
You have to rest first, eh? Rest before you fetch water.
Hey. Ayaka, you're done enough. Just rest. And you need to eat, Mama. Is there food in the house?
Of course there's food. Now let me go and get you something to eat.
I don't like to rest. I'm tireless. People are begging me to rest.
Ayaka, you're done enough.
Let me bring you.
For you.
Ayaka, thank you.
If you are forcing me to eat, I will manage and eat. Before I go and fetch water.
You're done enough. Come on.
I'm begging you to come and rest. Now let me come and rest. Please, hear me out. It's my wife's sickness that caused the delay. My wife became so sick, terribly sick, that we took her to Nanda's Teaching Hospital. Then the sickness became so much that they referred her to UBTH, Bini. From Bini, it got worse that we took her to Lagos State University Teaching Hospital. Okay, please, as I speak with you now, my wife is dead. Even her body is in the mortuary.
Okay, see, all these things you're saying is none of my concern. Doesn't concern me. What's my business? Eh?
Okay, please hear me out. I'm like a father to you.
See, you are not my father. You will never be my father because my father is not irresponsible.
Guys, enough. It's enough. Don't abuse him anymore. After everything I told you, you will not even show any sense of sympathy. You are still abusing him.
Wait, are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you.
Do you know who I am?
Who are you? Are you God? Are you God? Because you are building hands for somebody. Are you God?
You're running your mouth, eh?
Yes.
You're running your mouth.
Just don't call my father useless again.
You are running your mouth now.
Yes.
Don't worry. By the time I finish dealing with you and your family, especially you, you understand who
we look at our son.
It's a small girl, please. Listen to her, please.
Do you know who you're talking to?
Who are you? Are you God? Are you God?
If you wind your mouth again for me, I will slap you.
Oh.
Slap me, leave her.
Hey, what? You're going to slap the thing.
You're carrying away from me. Oh, okay. Look, you see? Okay, this is what I'm paying for.
Martina, you slapped me. All this, Martina.
Martina,
please. Hey. Okay. Martina, what is
no, wait now. Wait.
Don't be angry. Martina, stop.
Don't worry.
No, wait.
I'll be back.
Stop this.
I'll be back. Don't worry, I'll be back. When I come back, I will ruffle you. I will mumble you.
Martina, stop.
Oh, if I will tell you how much I bought this car. Don't worry, I'll be back.
Look at our son.
Martina, please. Hey. Martina, what is
no, wait now. Let's go.
Busy yard. Chill. Come on, God.
Hey, I'm sure you will like this food.
Hey, I will like it. Look at your mother's soup.
Enjoy yourself, my
See, let me tell you, this soup is very sweet.
My mother can cook.
Your mother can cook. Do you know that your mother can cook more than my mother? Yes. Your mother can cook more than my mother.
Hey.
This is my mother now. This soup will not be as sweet as it is now.
Hey, my mother can cook shower.
Yes.
More than your mother.
Yes. Your mother can cook more than my mother.
Enjoy yourself.
I'm enjoying it. Hey. That's why I said I will always show you love.
Hey.
I will always show you love.
I know.
Oh,
thank you. See, Anyways, I'm so scared. I don't want anything to come between us. Once my brother comes back from America, he will settle you and you'll get married to me.
Nothing can come between us. Never! Nothing!
Thank you.
See, let me tell you. Once your brother come back and settle me and give me money, I will marry you immediately. So when is he coming back?
Very soon. I reckon he's coming back very soon. Let the house be completed and he will be here.
That is my anger. You do know that every time I go there, I see that house. I'm angry. I don't know what that contractor is doing.
I don't know. He's so slow.
He will just leave bamboo tree everywhere. Is your brother going to live inside bamboo tree? Eh? And my man is telling me that if your brother is from there, they see this house now, he will not want to come back. And he will not settle me. And I will not marry you. That man is delaying us.
He will come. He will finish it.
If your brother will agree now, he will just tell me, Ayaka, take over everything. 3 weeks. Come on, 3 weeks. That house will be ready. 2 weeks.
Don't worry, just eat. We'll talk about it later.
Hey, I can't wait too, because as this house is there now, anytime I see that house, I will be angry. I can't wait. See big meat your mother gave me.
Hey now.
You know that? This is my mother. My mother will not give me this kind of meat. She will give me one kind of meat.
Why now?
Small meat. My mother is so stingy when it comes to meat. That woman.
That's why you have big meat now, so eat.
That is why I don't like going home whenever I come here. And you people will tell me rest. I can sweep everything away for you people. So that you will give me, my mother will give me big meat. Your mother is a good woman.
Very good.
More than my mother. My mother can mother somebody.
Mama, good day. You're my grandmother. Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Someone.
What is going on?
Allow me to do the talking now. Eh?
What is going on here?
Good day, ma.
Good day. How are you?
Fine. Ma, my name is Idiji.
Okay.
Yes. Ma, is your son Ayaka around?
Ayaka one? He went out. He went out to see his friend. Is there any problem?
No, no problem. Ma, did he go far? We can wait for him or we can sit out here.
Yes, I can wait for him. I can wait for him. Mama, you're my grandmother. She's my mother. And your son is my father.
Hey!
That is why we are here.
My son again what? Ah! Every time, John.
Chogola, what did she say? Enopa, Yanga!
Hey! My girl doing big things. Babe, you're indeed very lucky. Just look at the beautiful things you got for yourself.
Thank you.
I can't even pick my favorite. I totally love everything. You know, it reminds me of the good old days.
What are you saying? Are you not happy for me?
Come on, how can you even say that? Of course you know I am happy for you. I am only regretting why I ended up with the stingy man. Frederick is very stingy. He hardly gives me money. I can't even remember the last time he asked me to change my wardrobe. Why are you laughing? What's funny? So I sound stupid.
No, not at all, my darling. Okay, Chi. At least you're the one inside. The wife. The missus. But I, Benita, I'd rather be the side chick. Yes, it is better to be the side chick. It is better to be the one out there than the wife. Let me tell you something. Wives are just a piece of furniture.
My dear, I totally agree with you.
Yes, you're right.
Men are very wicked. Evil creatures. Destiny killers. You know, they'll just lure you into their net and then hold you captive. Just look at me. Take a good look at Ogichi. I had better plans, good plans for myself. Just look at what Frederick has subjected me to.
That is why I don't pity them. You see them, my sugar daddy? I will suck him dry. I will suck him dry. No, Mona. I don't have pity on them. It means I get a moment.
Benita! Bad girl! My dear, have your phone to the fullest. Soak them dry. See, from today, anybody that comes close to you, deal with that person. Soak, now that they soak already, soak the person, milk the person dry. You have my permission. Enjoy, girlfriend!
Anybody?
Anybody, of course.
Think I suck him.
Soak them dry. Meanwhile, which one are you giving me? I love it.
The red. It's your favorite color.
No, this, pick the one you want. Drink this way.
Oh, Mama. I'm so happy to hear this. I'm very happy. Why did you bring us?
Mama, you know your son Ayaka. He is such a troublesome person. I did not want to do this, but my husband, the person that wants to marry me, he really wants me to bring her to her father. She here has been crying to go and see her father. She wants to meet her father.
You did well, my daughter. You did well. Welcome. I am your grandmother, like you said. And Ayaka, my son, is your father.
Mom, I'm so happy. I want to meet him when you come back.
You will meet him very soon.
Mama, I will be on my way.
No, Mom, you don't have to go. You need to stay here so that you make it clear to him when he comes.
Good. Your father is wise.
Mama?
No more.
I'm back.
Welcome, one.
Mama? You have visitors?
We had
This is my
visitors.
voice.
Do you have a
Don't
witness?
you recognize her?
This is Ndidi. Hey! Onya kankere. Ndidi.
Ayaka, thank God, oh, you recognize me.
So you have joined Jehovah Witness?
Go to us. You brought this beautiful girl and said that you are the father of someone.
Hey.
I'm your daughter. You're my father.
Mama, you see what I told you? Eh? Try to be closing this gate so that all these Jehovah Witnesses, when they are passing, they will not enter. They even carry bag. Ndidi, when did you join that kind of church? Eh?
I'm your daughter.
Ah! Which daughter?
Nabuba.
Hey! you know, to go and see my friend. I need love.
The food is almost over. You have not eaten since we came. You want to go and see your friend, you need money. When you collect them, you not finish paying for it. Remember? But you have to calm down. Calm down. Eh? Oh, if you do something, you can get something. Then you and I can go back and go extra to eat.
Until I'm not in the mood to eat food. Yes, you can see I'm not hungry.
Problems don't end. Yeah? Problems don't ever end. Please, I want you to calm down. I don't want you to die. I told you, leave it, let me handle it. Please, Papa.
Lucy, oh Lucy, 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 oh Lucy, Lucy.
Mama, I will not take it. I will not tell this lady to take this little part out from this compound now. I will squeeze it, you know.
I can please come. But no. What why you? Eh? How they marry if I
I'm not going back. Oh. I'm not going back. You're my father, and I'll remain here. If you want fight, I'll give it to you.
Hey, Mama, do you hear this thing?
I heard.
Did you hear this thing? This thing will bite him in the night, though.
This is the more reason you should calm down. Yeah? Put Wenura and let us resolve this thing and be careful. Indeed, we will not bring her if she's not sure of what she's saying. Yeah? And she has explained how everything happened during your period. Yeah?
Mamma.
Mama,
take this girl here.
Take this girl out. Mama, I am going. Ayaka, if you like, believe. If you like, don't believe. This is your daughter. So, Mama, take care of your father.
Yes.
Be good to Mama. Take care of yourself. Take care of your father. I am going, Mama.
It's a lie, yo. Come back here, it's a lie. It's not good.
Leave me.
You leave this place.
Ogechi. What is that car still doing out there? Why didn't you give the mechanic the money to buy the parts?
Frederick. So, do you expect me to give your mechanic 150,000 naira to fix that your stupid car? Huh? I demanded for ordinary 90,000 naira to get 12 inches one street. Mbao, you said there's no money, but yet you're buying parts worth 150,000 naira for your car. Frederick, do I look stupid to you in any way? Huh? So that stupid car of yours is more important than your life. No, I'm asking you, tell me.
You see that car you call stupid? Yes, it's stupid. But that car is more important than you. That car is more useful than you. That car is useful and you're useless. Do you know why? You're just useless in this house. You're just here doing nothing. Lying down, eating, watching television, probably dress up and go out with your friends to just to gossip.
Hey! Look at who is talking. What about you? What do you do? Stingy man. Frederick, you're one biggest mistake I've ever made in my life. And at times, I just wonder, how did I end up with you? How? Huh?
Ogechi, it's still not too late. You can still pack up your things and leave. I will never bother you. I will never beg you.
Oh.
Yes.
You lie. Frederick, you are a liar. Because I am not going anywhere. So you want me to go, you want to provoke me to go. Then you go out there and bring one of those your prostitutes, Abi. It will not work for you because I am not going anywhere.
I'm just leaving you for one thing. Just for one thing. Because of this pregnancy. Apart from that, I would have beaten you. Like upside down.
Huh?
But do not worry. Can like a good movie. Kachinaka.
Shut up.
You will never escape this beating.
See, Pedro, forget this pregnancy.
You will never.
Stop threatening me with beatings. You can't have anything. So you want to slam me? You're pregnant wife. I shall not walk in, that is what you are. You cannot beat me. Pedro, you want to slam your pregnant wife? Shameless man. I shall not walk.
Mama, let that thing inside there come out and leave. She's not my daughter. I will not take her. Let her leave this place. Oh.
My son, please calm down. Biko, calm down. I cannot be alive and watch your own child, my own grandchild, stay outside. Or the former. It's not possible. Huh? Biko, calm down.
How do you know that she's my daughter? Mama, how do you know that she's my child? Why did you bring the girl back all this while? Or even when she was pregnant, she would come and tell me and say, I'm pregnant. And she didn't tell me that she was pregnant for me. The next thing with him, a grown-up baby will come. Huh?
Didi said she was afraid. And she was so afraid to bring her back. And that because of the pregnancy, she could no longer go to school. Eh? She only summoned courage to bring the girl back when someone came to marry her. Eh? She wouldn't have brought her back. Okay, can't you see that someone is as stubborn as you are? Hey, just take a look at her face. You will see yourself there.
Mama, tell her to come outside and leave. I'll kill her. I'll kill her with my bag. Tell her to come outside here now and go to her mother's place.
Mama, I've kept my daddy. Papa, stop frowning your face because I have come to this house to stay. I have come to stay.
You have come to stay. I'll kill you.
You won't kill her. No, it's okay. Don't mind your father. Just go. I'm coming to serve you food. Oh, with something to eat. I don't know what is wrong with you. You better stop this nonsense. I have told you. Please calm down. Summer is your blood. As stubborn as you are, just take a look at her face. You will see yourself there. I cannot send my grandchild away. She's my blood. Just as you are my blood. Go inside, let me give you something to eat.
Papa, frowning your face will not solve this one. Stop frowning. Because I have come to this house. EBUBE. They did not want me there. You must want me here.
Eh? What did they bring to me? Is this a human being or a yam? Yam is speaking. Mama, bring that thing out. Oh. Bring that thing out, she will kill you there. That thing is a toy. Oh. It's not a human being. Eh? Look at her. Yam talking.
I need someone. I'm in a deep problem. Please. My daughter, Madina, is supposed to sit for her final year exams. But there is no money to pay for her exams. Even the contractor that gave me a job of supplying sand in the site don't have money to execute that job. Please, help your friend. I'm in a serious mess. Kiko.
This is what crosses man. Just calm down. Calm down.
You don't seem to understand. The contractor is heavily on my leg. If you see the way he's harassing me, threatening me up and down, please, just give me some money. Let me settle everything. I'll pay you back, please.
I know. The truth is that you must take it easy. Remember that your late wife's pulse is still in your insurance. Let another one. Take it easy.
Do you need to remind me of my late wife? No, man, please. I am not asking you this for free. It's a loan. Borrow me the money. I'll pay back. Please. If only you had asked me for this money yesterday, it would have been a different story. But I've bought some seedlings with the money I had for my farm. Please, nobody people see.
If you want me to need time to beg you, I will kneel down. Please, pick up. I am away. Some money entered your hand recently. Just give me from there. I will pay you back. Pick up.
We are saying the same thing, too. I had some money, but I've used it. Why didn't you ask me yesterday or even this morning? That would be a different story. But right now, I don't think I have much.
Be a friend in need. If you want me to do that,
no, that don't come to that.
Nobody is here to witness it.
That don't come to that.
I swear, I'll pay you back. I'll pay you back. Biko. Oh no, Biko.
Let me see what I can do. That I am not promising it. So let me see.
God will bless you.
Bless you.
Thank you. God will bless you. I'm counting on you.
But don't forget, I'm not promised you. But I will try.
A friend in need is a friend indeed. Huh? Pico, don't forget. Hello.
You are not just good in this game. You are extraordinarily good. I am your friend. What do you do? How do you get these men to dance to your tune? Benita, I swear, if I did not know you so much, I would have sworn on my life that you are using Kayamata to fortify yourself.
Come on, babe. It's a skill.
A skill?
Yes. Listen, girl. These men are not as difficult as you think they are. All you need to do is touch them at the right places and they will come crawling to you like a baby. Just like that.
Benita, you're a bad girl. I swear you are a bad girl. It's too much. Not too much.
I will teach you how to. This men, all they want from us is, it's like a give and take situation. All they want is pleasure. From the pressure at home. You do that and you have them in your power. It's a give and take situation. It's not hard.
Benita, I am not interested. In fact, you're spoiling me right now. I don't know what this. You're such a bad girl.
Hunger never catch you. See, let me tell you something. It is not that difficult. Okay? All they want is tender love and care. Give them that and they'll be at your feet. Just as simple, it's not hard. You know that my sugar daddy? You see the way he's making so much money. That's because I touch him at the right place. And he will keep crawling back to me like a baby.
And you will to it.
Yeah, step up if you want to make money. So life is not that difficult.
Where is it? I know you know what I'm talking about. Where is it? Ogechi, hand that key over to me. Please, I'm going out. You're wasting my time.
What am I doing over to you? Please, don't start with me this evening. I'm tired.
I don't have time for this rubbish. Okay, you know what I'm talking about. Give me that car key now. Ogechi, before I count 1 to 10, I want you to hand that key over to me right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Give it to me.
Fred, I'm warning you. Don't look for my trouble this evening.
Where are you going to? Where do you think you're going to?
Frederick.
Hand that key over to me.
Why did you stop counting? 3, 4, 5. See, avoid me.
Where do you think you're going to? Give me that car key.
I am not with it.
Meaning, I left it here. I'm very sure. Give it to me.
You're very sure that what?
But I left it here. Give it to me.
Okay, fine. I am with the key. What will you do? It is right here. Go and tell that concubine of yours that it will not work today. Your wife said so. It will not work.
Hey! See, you're my wife. Don't play with me. You're my property. I married you with my money. You think I cannot put my hand in there? Even this one, they are my property. I paid for it. And in full. I didn't pay half.
Okay.
So...
Fred, you are pregnant!
I
am pregnant, no!
Ah! Come on, let's get
Fred, you are good!
She's so beautiful. She look astonished. She's so beautiful. Lucy, Lucy. She's so beautiful. Said to be our queen, our queen. No, oh, Lucy.
Why do you like wearing a long face? Why are you wearing a frown again? Why do you like to wear our problems on your forehead so that everybody will see and begin to ask, hey, whoa, why? What happened? Eh, Papa?
Hey!
Everybody has their own problem, Papa. Everybody has their own problem. And if you continue like this, 99% of the times, people do not care. Instead, they will make you a laughing stock. You have to take everything easy. How far with where you went?
Just coming from the master's of Namani said that I was a few minutes late. But if I had come yesterday, I would have given me that he kept some money that he had used it to buy seedlings for the next planting season.
And what did Uncle Ibuna say?
Ibuna said that he's trying to complete money for his son to travel to China.
Hey! Papa, it's okay, Papa. We will sort this whole thing out tomorrow. Do not worry. I will also call Kachi and tell her in case she has any money, she'll send it. It's okay.
She's so beautiful. She looks.
Hey! Okay, see my man. You sent for me. Okay, see, I'm finished. My life is about to finish in this village.
How can your life finish? What happened?
Do you remember Ndidi?
Ndidi?
Ndidi, my girlfriend that time.
I can't remember any Ndidi.
Ndidi, that girl that time we went to exam in Benin. The one that I used to date that time.
Okay, that one you used to buy sweet and chewing gum for.
Oh,
I remember.
Do you know that she came back She came to me now, with one small girl, that her mouth running like a parrot. She said that the girl is my daughter.
What?
You can imagine.
And you allow her?
What will I do? I tried to tell the girl, leave my house, she refused. Small girl, oh, but her mouth is running faster than her brain.
Hey.
Tell me now, does my mouth run faster than like a parrot? How can I give birth to someone that her mouth is running like that? That girl is not my daughter. Can you imagine?
Okay, you are really in trouble.
I'm in trouble.
You have to do something about that girl. And again, don't let him call you know about this. Because if you know about this, she will cut you off. Oh.
That is my fear.
And you know that her brother is making a very big money in abroad. Do you want to make on that girl?
Never. Never. She used to go. EBUBE.
Hey.
If she refused to leave my house, I will kill her. I will drop her on the ground. Watch her like ant. Small girl.
What do we do now?
That is what I'm trying to. That's why I called you, because I need to plan.
Hey.
I need to plan. You come and see how this girl's mouth is running like power. If you come now and you will be hearing somebody's voice talking, you look for the person. You don't know that it's one small rat. If you want to do your leg like this, she don't care. Hey, you want to catch her. That's what she's doing. You know. I don't know if she's an ant or human being. If you want to catch her now, you want to rush her. You see yourself on the ground. You see that girl? That small girl. She cannot be my daughter.
I missed you. I thought you were. Babe, I'm sure. I am very sure Frederick is seeing another woman. He just left the house. What's wrong have I done to deserve this? Why is Frederick doing this to me? Why? See, Benny, I swear to you, tonight will be very tough for Frederick and I. Let him come back. Benny, don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. You should have thought of my condition before putting me into this kind of torture. But you know what? I'll talk to you later.
That is why I don't like listening to people's problems, because it gives me sleepless nights.
It's because you are a good man. Because not everybody will give it a second thought.
You are right. I am interested in that your land by the expressway. I am going to pay for it. Sell it to me, since you need money. I am your friend. I am just doing you a favor. I don't have any need for land. You know it. It's just to help you to...
Mazi, you are a very wicked. You are a very wicked and a selfish man. How can you ask him to sell you the only plot of land he has left? Eh?
Marty, calm down.
Papa, don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. This man is a very wicked person. Eh? He should sell you the only plot of land we have left. Then what do we have? Nothing.
Look, you should learn to talk respectfully to elders. You know your father Ibeto has no son.
Elders my foot. My father has no son, but he has children. He has children. His female children, they are human beings. Ichie, please leave here before I do something I will regret. Ichie, leave here before I do what I will regret. He has no son. So his female children, they are not human beings. Because he does not have a son.
Oh!
A man does not have a son, he should die. Or should own nothing.
I love Daddy. He's my friend. He's my friend. I will never leave him. I will never leave him. I will never leave him. Yeah, I will stay. Yeah, I will stay.
So, Ma, you will not kill me. You are so intelligent.
Mama, you can say it again. That is why I came back to my father's house. So that he will train me now. Well, when I grow and get married, he will come and claim that I'm his daughter. No, he has to train me now.
Exactly, Mom. Of course he has to. I am enjoying every bit of your presence in this house. Yeah? Even how you're feeling my lonely times up, eh? No. He has to train you. Your father will train you.
You're back.
Mama, please, is there any food in the house?
Yes. We have food. Come. Let me tell you. Jagodunu. You need to hear your daughter sing for you. No, just sing.
Mama, she's not my daughter. She's not my daughter.
Just listen.
I love Daddy. I love Daddy.
Who is your daddy? Please. Mama, please, I don't need this thing now. I'm not in the mood to talk. You see this thing? I'm going to kill it. Let her leave my house.
Papa, you want to kill your own daughter? It's a lie, though. There is no amount of threat that you can make me leave this house. Mama, come let's go prepare something for Papa. Because my class teacher used to tell me that a hungry man is a hungry man.
Oh. Yeah? So I'm an angry man, Mama. You are supporting her.
Let's give you food.
I'm an angry man.
Papa, calm down.
Calm down.
Mama, follow me. Let's go prepare something.
Angry man, let's go prepare something for you.
Hey!
No, give simple for me.
I love Daddy. I love Daddy.
Where did he buy this thing? Where did she buy this toy? Hey! Huh? Where did he buy this toy? I brought it because this is not a human being. Mama, in fact, I'm not eating again. If I thought you give me food, put her in a tray, that thing inside. Put her in a tray, let me eat her. Yeah, because she's a food, not a human being. That thing is yam. That thing Gio. Eh? Hi! Can you see could open and they here together? And I refuse to keep it. Now it's after me. I cannot leave this girl in my house. So put her in a tray and bring her, let me butcher her and eat. It's better I eat my daughter.
On your own, you still have to try and come and see Papa. find time and come and see him. He's always asking of you. And I got it, yes. It's enough, at least for 2 trips. Oh, Papa is here already. Oh, okay, Jiziki, do not worry, I'll tell you. Don't worry, go, eh? Okay, thank you.
Who was that?
It's Kachi. She sent enough money to pay for 2 trips.
Hey! Oh! God, thank you. Oh. So, how is she?
She's fine, Papa.
Imagine me taking from my daughter whom I'm supposed to be giving.
Papa. Hey, it's Kachi a child. She's a grown-up now. What you should be worried about now is for us to be able to meet up so that this shameless contractor does not come and disgrace us in this village.
God will bless you for me.
Amen, Papa.
God will keep you from me too.
Amen.
You are more than a daughter to me.
Baby, wake up, it's getting late.
Allow me to sleep a little longer, okay?
Fred, it's 12 midnight already. It's past 12. Baby, I told you that my mother is sick and you haven't said anything about it.
Okay,
Feels like it's not important to you.
It's important, just that... Anyway, how much do you need?
200,000.
Huh?
200,000 now to pay the hospital bill.
200,000 naira? That's a whole lot of money. It's too much. But anyway, I'll see what I can do about that, okay?
I need it today or at least first thing tomorrow morning.
Babe, you get a lot of 200,000 naira first thing tomorrow morning. Okay? I need to run now.
Okay.
I need to run now. I have to run now.
Kiss.
Where's my shoe?
Bye.
Where's my shoe?
Hello.
Okay.
Bye.
What are you still doing outside? It is late already. Nyanya. Come, let's go inside, Pico.
Mama, allow me to think. Pico.
Ayaka, why are you like this? Why are you like this? You want me to allow you send this innocent girl back to her mother, but you know that it will not work. It won't work, Ayaka.
Then allow me to think of how to kill her.
How? Of course, you won't do that. Ayaka, for goodness sake, what has come over you? Can you fall upon me?
Mama, why are you talking like this? You know about me and Nkoli. And what do you think that will happen when she finds out about this parrot inside the house? Mama? And very soon, her brother will come back from abroad. What will be my fate?
What you are saying is absolutely nonsense. Rubbish. Look at a beautiful child that was brought to you on a platter of gold. You want me to send her back to her mother? Your own blood. My own grandchild. It will not work. It's not possible. So let me tell you. If Nkole does not want to marry you because of this innocent girl, that means she never loved you. Let her go.
Well, she will not go. She will not go. Instead, this parrot inside the house will go.
My grandchild will not go either. My grandchild will stay with me forever. What has come over you? Eh? How can somebody that loves you not accept what belongs to you? Eh? Because let's go inside. Tomorrow I'll be there by job.
Mama, go inside. If you want to go inside and sleep. I will not go inside that house. That thing will bite me.
Stop calling her that thing. Stop saying all this nonsense.
Mama, if I hear you screaming, I will not come. Oh. If that thing bites you, I will not come. Oh. Go inside and sleep. I will sleep here.
Ayaka.
I cannot sleep inside the same house with that thing.
That thing is what you put into the body of the woman that brought her.
Not me.
That means that's how your children will be looking.
All of them.
And to me, they are beautiful.
That is ECG. Not my
Keep
my
abusing her.
She cannot be my daughter. No.
Keep abusing my granddaughter. If she's not your daughter, she's my granddaughter.
If I hear you try crying.
Hey, come and open the gate. What nonsense is this now?
Madam. No, God, they blow horn since for outside. Please, just give me this key. Please, let me go and open the gate for him. I'm doing my work.
What have you done, my parents?
Madam, please. This is the only source of income for me. If I don't go to do my work, Oga will not pay me my salary. And my wife is at the hospital. My pregnant wife. Please.
Madam, please. Oga has been blowing on since. Shut up. Get out!
Just open. Sorry.
Okorocha! Welcome kill you. May that welcome squeeze your neck. Come on, open this gate.
Oga, I want to open the gate, but I cannot, sir. Oga, Madam is having the gate key.
Eh? In my own house?
Madam is having the gate key.
Madam, what? It's not Madam wants to give you instruction on me.
It's you, sir.
Ah.
Oga, please, my hands are tied. I cannot open it, please, sir. I cannot open it. Madam is having...
Okorocha, consider yourself dead because I am going to kill you. Because I am going to finish your... In fact, from now you're sacked.
Oga, please, my hands are tied, please.
To bury you.
My hands are tied.
So down.
Okay, Madam is here. Madam, please, give me the gate key. Let me open the gate for Oga, please.
Okorocha, open this gate.
Are you mad?
Huh? Open this gate now.
Yeah, Frederick. The earlier you go back to where you're coming from, the better for you. You see this house? You're not entering tonight.
You see? You don't have respect for your husband. No submission. You're colliding with Okorocha to lock me out.
She has gone back, oh.
If I come in there, I'll kill you and kill your madam.
Please, sir.
In fact,
Madam, please.
Oh. Okorocha, if you say that sorry again, I'm going to punish you. Eh? You're eating my food and paying you my money. But if you're telling me, madam, open this gate. Can you imagine? Yeah?
Oga, please, I beg. Please, Oga.
What kind of nonsense is this? Okorocha!
Hey, Madam, please now. I just fall for this night.
Open this gate! Idiot!
Madam, now beg I beg. Biko, that place you Oga dey outside. These bad boys, feel Roman or they feel beat them up. And besides, my work they at stake. Because if Oga sack me from this place, now village they go straight. I get a pregnant wife and 6 children. Now me they feed them with no other person. Because tamper justice with mercy. Even if you no one do it for Oga, do it for me. Even if you no one do it for me, say you no like me for this house. Please, do it for my pregnant wife and my 6 children. Biko, tamper justice with mercy. I dey beg you, Biko.
Okoro.
Ma, maybe I take the key.
Go back to your duty post.
Okay, with or without the key?
Without the keys.
Madam Biko, I dey beg you, see me for ground. Biko, Oga go sack me. Nothing. They never pay me my salary. This month now, Biko, I beg, just make an open for today. And if you come out again, no open for them, then I go support you by this one. I beg, Biko, see me. I beg you, Biko.
Okoro, is he your husband?
Okay. No, I've been man.
He's my husband.
Yes.
Get out.
Ma.
I said stand up and leave this place.
My work there stay, Biko.
Okay.
Ma, thank you, Biko.
Nakwala, get out.
Please. Oh, that is your father.
If I stand up from this place, you're dead.
I'm going to die. Hey,
Okay, you're trying me.
no, come in, see, I beg. Now, people, sorry, no vex.
She's so beautiful.
Papa.
She look astonished.
Papa.
She's so beautiful.
Papa, what is this one you are doing? Papa, you are taking this thing too far. Oh. You are taking this thing too far. Eh? You will break down at the rate you are going.
Martina, I have failed as a husband, a father, even as a businessman. I am a failure, a complete failure. Look at my family. My wife, your mother, is still lying there in the mortuary. And the mortuary attendants are no longer attending to her because I could not pay. Just look at you. You were a final year student, but because of money you dropped out. Your younger sister is out there fending for herself. I'm not attending to anyone. Even the contract that I got, the money is finished. To supply the remaining sons, it's now a problem. I have failed everyone around me.
You have not failed, Papa. You are not a failure. Since my growing up as a child, I have learned, I have seen that Mama is not feeling fine. I grew up seeing my mother move from one hospital to another. It's not your fault. You do not owe me anything, Papa. The way I lay my bed, that is the way I will lie on it. It means I have to work very hard if I want something good for myself. You do not owe Kachi anything, Papa. No, you don't. We need to do better if we want to achieve something in life. Papa, the only thing I can promise you is this. I will make you proud. And that sand, we will finish that contract for Mr. Fred. We'll finish it. I promise you that we'll finish it.
I know you make me proud. He seems not to understand that beast. That man is a devil incarnate.
Don't worry about him, Papa. We will prevail. Eh? Let us go inside. You know we are going to walk tomorrow.
I'm not following you again. You see, you need a decent job. How can I allow you, my daughter, jumping from one tipper to another?
Papa, I am following you to pack sand tomorrow. I will not listen to anything you have to say. God forbid that I be ashamed of my roots. God forbid. I'm very proud of you, Papa. And I will proudly follow you with the tipper to do the work we need to do to get things done. Come and rest, eh? Come and rest. I'm not a failure, Papa. How? Come on, please.
Oh, Lucy, 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 oh, Lucy.
Oga! What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Huh? Oh, wait. Let me get something here. What is going on? But what? Who gave you the instruction not to obey me? Huh? Madam asked you not to open the gate for me. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Come here. Come here. Who is paying your salary in this house?
You, Oga.
Who employed you in this house?
You, Oga.
Whose instruction are you supposed to obey in this house?
You, Oga.
And Madam asked you not to open the gate for me, and you obeyed her.
Sorry, Oga. Sorry.
To disobey me. Sorry. You know what? You go in there, pack your things, and leave this compound this minute. If I go in and see you in this compound again, what I'll do to you? You want to bring her? No.
Welcome, sir.
Are you people mad in this house? I'm going in there. Before I come out here again, I want you to disappear from this compound. Do you understand me?
Oga, please, sir. Please, sir, Oga. Were you not there in the night when Madam said I should not?
Whose duty post is this? Are you not the one in the gate? Eh? Why will you make me to come out from the house and receive such a slap this early morning?
What's your problem now? Don't precipitate yourself. Get out from this place. I'm fine.
You behave yourself in this house, so if you try this next time, you will not like what I will do to you.
Me?
Okay. You're still there ranting, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
Please, sir.
Oh, my angel, you are up.
Yes.
Mama Richangwa, good morning. How are you?
Fine, Mama. Mama, I want to fetch water for you. Where can I get it?
Okay, you know what? I will show you the way to the stream where we fetch water. So the next time, you go on that way.
Okay. But Mama, can I help you? You said that broom. I want to help you.
Okay. We have another broom. Your size at the backyard, but you can see I am almost done sweeping. So you hold it, I will teach you. Okay, sweep. You didn't even ask me about your father. Eh?
Hey, Papa. Where is Papa, Mama?
He went out with his friend. He went to see his friend. Maybe they have something to do, work or anything.
This is my father's house. I have to keep it clean.
I know you want to keep it clean, but I have to teach you how to sweep it. Yeah, hold it. We don't pack sand though. You sleep on top of the sand. That's the way to do it, yeah?
Yes.
And next time you wake up early, you know you want to sweep something.
Fred! You know what? I am tired of your silly attitude. I am taking you back to your miserable family.
Don't be silly. No, don't be silly. Fred, I am your wife. So there's no way I am leaving my husband's house. No.
Hey! I built it with my money. So I say who stays here or not. Do you understand? I don't need you anymore in this house.
Liar! Liar! You're a big fat liar. Sissy, let me tell you. I am your wife. I am legally married to you. So I have as much rights as you do in this house. In fact, we have equal rights over all your properties.
See, listen, let me tell you something. If I go in there and come out here and see those your tiny legs in this house again, gone too soon shall be your case. I don't even know where you're going to go because you live in this house.
Gone too soon. Get ready because gone too soon is for both of us.
God forbid!
Let me tell you.
Me and you, God forbid. Leave this place. I will squeeze you. I will squeeze you. Do you know what? I know I'm leaving you. I know why I've not beaten you blue, black and red. Because you're carrying my baby here. That's why I'm still leaving you. Apart from that, I know what to do to you.
So you know what to do to you. So you know I am carrying your baby. See, Frederick, I am not afraid of you. Frederick Okonta, do your worst. I am not afraid of you. If you know you're man enough, and that thing in between your legs is working, do your worst. Fred, do your worst. Am I not dead already? Do your worst.
Come out here and see those your tiny legs again. What I will do to you.
Frederick,
do you know what? Do you know what? Listen, let me tell you. Stop fooling yourself. As you can see, I am man enough. A very strong man. Very good man. At least it's showing all over you. Now you show that you're a woman. Apart from you being a man, apart from okay. If I get you here, I'll finish your life. Hey, come on.
Madam, sorry. Madam, please stand. Sorry, please be strong. Sorry, madam. Sorry. Please. Sorry. Madam, let's go inside, please. Sorry. No, madam, you have to stress yourself, please. Papa. Sun is coming out, though. Don't forget that door, that window side. Don't forget that side window.
She's a drug addict. She's a drug addict. She's haunted.
Wait, you're still here? Huh? I thought I told you to leave this compound.
Please, I'm sorry.
Okay, you don't know.
Biko, it was Madam that took the keys from me.
Don't worry.
Biko.
You see. Madam took the keys from you, right?
Yes, sir.
When the police come, you tell them.
Police. Okay, please don't get the police involved, please.
Wait till you will see. I'm calling the police now.
Okay, please don't call the police, please. If you get me arrested or you throw me out of this place, I have 6 children at the village. If you throw me away, how will I take care of them? Please have mercy.
Officer. Yes, it's Fred Okonta talking to you. Sir, please. Yes, Fred. Sir, please, I want you to come with your men. I'll send 12 men to God's will road. Yes, there's an armed robber in my compound.
I'm not an armed robber, okay? I'm not an armed robber, please.
Yes, sir. The armed robber is, I think he's a very dangerous one. You can imagine I'm hiding under my overhead tank. Yes, because I'm dodging them. They are dangerous. They are with guns. Yes. Please, come with fully armed men. Please, I'm in danger, please.
I'm not stealing from you before, okay? Please.
Okay, sir.
Please.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm not an armed robber. Have I ever stolen from you before? Okay, please. Okay, please. My wife
When the police comes, you will explain to them.
My wife is pregnant, please. My wife is pregnant, okay? Please. And I have 6 children at the village. Hey, okay, Biko. Okay, let me open the gate.
Hey! Do not touch my gate. Do not touch my gate. Did you hear me, so?
Oma, the stream is not very far like you said. We'll soon get there. I just need to show you the road. So that next time you want to Mama, good morning. That's good. Okay. Ayaka.
Ma?
What is this?
No, what does it look like? Is it water now?
Mama, good morning.
That Koleka. What is the meaning of this? Why is my son carrying your water?
Mama, you choose to help me.
He'll choose to do what? One Koleka. My own son choose to do what?
So, Papa, there is no water in the house and you want to carry water for another woman.
Hey! Joanna.
Papa.
Joanna.
Why is she calling you Papa?
Hey!
I'll carry it, I'll carry it.
Ayaka!
Ayaka!
I told this Fred guy is not. I am certain he must have lied to me just to come into his mistress. Kachi. On the contrary, Ogechi locked her husband outside. Yes, and he came back to me. Listen, I have told my friend several times, but she won't listen to me. The worst thing a wife will do is to lock her husband outside. He will run into the arms of another woman. But my friend, she will not listen. That's not my fault. Benita, understand. That woman shouldn't be you. For crying out loud, Ogen is our child. Why choose our husband of all the men in this world, in this city? Why do you prefer to date Ogen's husband? But I have said this accomplished 1,000 times. I am not interested or going to take Fred away from Ogechi. No, I'm just passing time. You're just passing time with someone to prevent me. Benita, this is not right. See, I am not comfortable with what you're doing. That's why I keep talking to you about it. Okay? We are really I'm sorry, but Fred is rich. He's generous, he's sweet. You know? If it's not me, it will still be another woman. So I beg, dress.
Please, okay? You don't have to mind that little parrot. You see that girl? I'm going to kill her.
Ayaka.
Please.
Ayaka, what is going on? Ayaka, what is going on?
You see, that girl is my niece. It's my sister's daughter. Eh? I don't know why she's calling me Papa. I have told this girl, don't call me Papa. I am not your Papa.
Ayaka, I know that you have just one sister and she's still in secondary school. So what niece are you talking about?
It's not my direct sister. It's my cousin sister from my mother's stomach. Yes. And she likes to call me Papa all the time. But don't worry, I'm going to kill her. I'm going to send that girl away from her.
Ayaka, you have not explained anything to me. You better start talking. I don't want to get upset.
Don't get upset. Eh? We will discuss this when let's go to get home. In your house. We will discuss it. This is road. You know they said that bush have ear. They will be hearing what we're saying. Eh? Please. Animals is in the bush and they will have ear. They will hear us. Let's go home. So when we go home, we discuss this thing. As for that girl, she's dying.
Okay.
She cannot see tomorrow because I'll kill her. For trying to put me in trouble, I'll kill her. I'm not her Papa. She will die today in my hand. She will die.
No, my daughter. All effort to supply at least half failed. Yes, I am. Please, just give me some time.
Who is that?
Please, just little time. Just little time, please. Please. He's a mortuary attendant.
Papa! Papa!
Oh! Hey, Papa! Papa! Come and sit down. No, I need that. Come and sit. Eh? Papa! Papa!
Time you take it easy with your husband before you push him into the arms of another woman. Okay, God help you that he falls into the arms of a desperate woman. Good for you. I mean, which man would want to take his SSs? Look, Fred is everything bad in a man. Just take it easy, okay? Is there anything in this house? I am hungry. Of course there is. Go to the kitchen and fix something for yourself. Okay. The food. Please. I want you to do me a favor. Okay? I want you to help investigate my husband. I want to know the woman he sees later. But I thought you don't care. I am just curious. I am curious. I want to see this woman. I want to see what she looks like. I want to see what Frederick sees in her that he wants to die there. Please, do it for me. Okay. It is curiosity that kills the cat. What you don't know will not kill you. My friend, you are the one inside. Mind your business. Please. I think you're right. I am. Peter, you're such a good friend. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Everything will be fine, okay? Thank you. So, can I go fix up something to eat? Sure, fix for 2. I'm hungry. You mean 3? Yes, 3. No, 4. I'll fix it. Alright.
Where are you from? Who are you? Who sent you? You destroyer my life. Yeah? Where are you from? From which planet? You want to finish me? Yeah? You want to scatter me? What is this? Who are you? Tell me. When you think you ended my career? Who? Just hold your money. I don't need it. Because there's no good about this money. Eh? What I need is my money or my sand. You want to end my reputation in this career? Do you know how I've worked hard to get to this level? Eh? I spent 4 years in university.
Sand is coming. Sand will come.
What I'm talking rubbish. I'm giving you analysis of my life. You're telling me sound. I spent 4 years in university. 1 year in EBUBE.
Already. Bring the woman.
See, I know they for rubbish. Eh? By the time I'll finish with you and your family, you people will know that I spent 15 years of my life.
Even Nigeria used to owe. Nigeria used to owe.
Am I Nigerian?
Nigeria used to owe.
No, do I resemble Nigeria?
But everybody used to owe.
I am a contractor.
We'll bring the sand. Nigeria, even Nigeria now, Nigeria is owing.
Where is it?
It's owing.
Excuse me, I am not your son. Stop calling me. You are able to get pants. Me not your son. When you only call me your son, it tears my pants. Because I'm not your son. I'm not your son. I can never be your son. My father is responsible. He's a responsible man.
That you said that day that got me angry. Stop saying this thing now. Stop saying this thing. It's not good now.
See, if you get angry, we sleep in your house a while. Huh? Yes, that's what I said. Don't insult me. You don't even know who I am and you're talking to me.
Stop saying who you are. Who are you now? Do you have one? Is your saliva poisonous?
Okay.
Can you kill our soul?
By the time you people will meet my lawyer, yeah? Lawyer, you know that my saliva, no poison. Lawyer. Eh? Can you even kill rat? You see 2 of you, eh? Why am I even talking? You will hear from my lawyer. No. No, you hear from my lawyer. Don't worry. Papa. Hey.
I'm not here for food though. I'm not here to eat. I have a lot of food in the village. You know why I'm here.
I know. But you've come a long way, and I'm sure you're very hungry. Go eat something and talk about it later, okay?
Sister, I know how hard Mama suffered to train you in the university. Mama sold Akara, Daddy, rain and sun. Some nights we go to bed on an empty stomach. We even borrow to make sure you completed your university education. So you will have Mama to train us, your younger ones. But look at today. You failed us. You failed Mama. And you failed us, you younger ones. Stop it, sister, please. Leave me alone. Immediately after your studies, you got married. Even after Mama begged you to get a job first, so you will have for a while to train us.
You got married to a wealthy man. And you forgot all about us. You forgot us all. I understand how you feel. But please, I need you to understand. Things are not really the way you people see it. I am not enjoying either. I am not. Fred has refused me to work at the sister. I am here because Mama asked me to come and collect money from you. So I will complete my registration and as well pay for my accommodation. You giving me the money or not?
Papa! Hey, wait! Papa! Onala have fainting.
Yes, sir!
Onala have fainting.
Please, sir, please, sir.
After fainting, tell your father when he wakes up, he should bring my son or refund my money.
Please, I will tell him, but let me hospital first. Hey! Hey! Sir, sir! Papa! 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 What is the problem? Please, just faint there. Please, help hospital, please. Okay. Hello, Papa. Papa! Papa! Stop.
You must leave my house. You must leave my house. You must leave my house. Look at her. Mama, she must leave my house. She must leave my house. You're not going. Mama, you bite me.
Idiot. And I will bite you again and again if you as much as leave this innocent girl up. And I'll pay for the Mekwagi.
Mama, this girl must leave this house. She must leave my house. If I don't kill her today, I'll kill her tomorrow.
Did I kill you?
Okay. She must leave this house.
Wait, let me tell you. Foolish boy. Instead of eliminating my child, this innocent, beautiful girl, you go and destroy that thing in that parade girl in that village without shame. Go and destroy her and not my angel. If anything happens between me and Colin, I'll kill her. I'll kill her.
Lezani, go and kill Nkoli. Did I kill you? If I had killed you, would God bless me with this beautiful girl from you? Are you not even happy that God gave you this child? Any just started that stupid Nkoli. Has she even taken anything? Oh my God, what?
Papa, I'm not leaving this house. I will not leave this house. This is my father's house. I will not leave it.
Oh, you have to talk. You have to talk. See you in the toilet.
Because I'm not bad. Go inside. Go
Papa, leave me alone.
Go inside. You may put in a car.
No, see yourself in my toilet. You are entering inside.
Is it your house?
Some man.
Is it your house?
Some man. See you later in the toilet. Once I do, some man you are gone.
This is all I can afford for now.
Sister, thank you. Oh, sister, you know how much happy I am now. I can't wait to break the good news to Mama. I'm sure she will be very happy. Thank you. Sister.
I know Mama will be very happy. And please tell Mama that by month end, I'll send something to her, no matter how small, okay?
Sister, this is what is expected of you. Huh? How? You don't know how much faith Mama had in you. I swear, you don't know.
It's okay. Tell Mama that by month's end she'll hear from me. Go eat so you start going before you get it.
Sister! I said go and eat your food. Yes, I'm going. I don't think Ayaka's mother has a sister. I only know about her 8 brothers.
Then Ayaka is lying to me.
Who could that little girl be?
I don't know. You have to ask him well. Meanwhile, did your brother call again?
Mama, he hasn't called me.
I really don't know what that contractor is doing. That man is not serious with the work at all. I warned your brother. Let me use my hand and get a good contractor from this village that will handle that work very well. Your brother refused. Now see what he is doing.
Mama, don't worry. I know brother will do something about it soon. I've sent him the pictures of the house so he can see the work level. He will do something soon. Don't want to allow it to disturb you.
It's okay. It's okay, no problem.
Hey! My people. Mama, good afternoon.
You are welcome.
My baby.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Keep calling your brother.
Hey! My baby. How are you?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ayaka, we need to talk.
Is there any problem?
Girl is a nobody to me. Other than a witch that was sent to destroy my life, and you better kill me if possible.
Hey, Ayaka, why are you lying? You don't have a sister that is married. Your mother, she doesn't have any sister. You think I don't know Abi? So who is she to you?
That girl is my mother's cousin sister, daughter. Yes, my mother's cousin sister's daughter. Huh? I don't know what that girl is giving me trouble.
Ayaka, just tell me the truth. Who is she to you? If I find out that you are lying to me, this relationship will be over. And if my brother returns from America, he will give me money and I will look for another man that will marry me.
See, in fact, let me tell you the truth. That girl you see is just a maid. House girl that was brought to my mother and I to take care of us. But I said I don't want.
Ayaka, another lie.
It's not another.
Why are you lying to me?
It's another truth. It's not another lie. It's another truth.
Ayaka, start leaving my house. Since you're not a serious person, start leaving my house. Leave my house. I don't want to see you again.
Don't do this. Don't do this.
Ayaka, stop.
Ogechi. Ogechi, see here. I know you are in a lot of things. But the part I didn't know is that you're a thief. A big thief.
Oh, please
That's
stop
what you are.
calling me names. Have I ever stolen from you before?
Have you been stealing from me? Only God knows how long you've been stealing from me. Yes. Ukechi, where is the 120,000 naira I left in my drawer? Where is it? Please, I need that money now. Please, I need that money now.
Is that why you're shouting? I took it.
Ukechi, you took my money. You took it. Okay. Now I need the money back. Right now.
Yeah. I have spent it. Regina was here earlier and she needed money for registration and other things, so that's the problem.
You spent the money I kept in my drawer. Okay, what is wrong with you? Huh? I do not want to have problems with you in this house. Provide that money now. Now, as I'm talking.
Cedric, is that money up to the one you spend outside with your mistress? I'm asking you. So, because I gave my people common 120,000 naira, do you want to bring down the roof?
Okay, so am I going to die for you people? What have I not done for you people? Is it a crime to marry from a poor family? Is it a crime? Let me ask you. Huh? I feed you people. I pay for your hospital bill. Tell me, your fallen fence, I built it. I did everything for you people. Am I going to die for you?
Fred, that poor family, did we beg you to come? No, I'm asking you, did we beg you to come? Fred, you should be covering your face in shame. Honestly, I know you're shameless, but at times just pretend to be ashamed of yourself. Just look at what you're saying. Listen to yourself. And your mates not building houses for their in-laws. I'm asking you. No, let me even ask you. All the things you just listed, when last did you do that? Huh?
I am going to call Regina now to return that money. I'm going to call her to return that money right away. Hey. Don't try it. Do not try it.
You cannot do anything.
Don't try me.
You will not make that call. You will not.
If you touch this phone, I'm going to squeeze you. Do you understand?
Sorry.
Do you know me very well?
Yes, your name is Frederick Kunta.
Even the phone, I can walk up touch it.
Do it.
I'm not going to
Frederick, do it.
I'm going to deal with you now.
Deal with me.
Ife nemenuwa anabakwanye mmiri. Ife nemenuwa anabakwanye mmiri. Onye ligolo n'enu osina ndị nọ na fama mbi manja anabakwanye mmiri.
Where are you? Where is your father? I hope he's fine now. I hope he's strong now. Since the sickness is what doctor can cure, then it means it's not too serious.
Listen, I know why you are here. My father is very, very sick. He cannot even move his hands. I promise you, I'll bring the sinking sand.
See, I am not here for any promises. You need to promise. Do you understand? He scratches my ear. I don't want that promises. See, business is business. When you want to do business, you satisfy your clients first. That's my ultimate concern. Do you understand? I cannot spend money to give you people contracts and you people are messing me up. Eh? Wait, did you say your father is sick?
Yes, sir.
Very sick.
Very, cannot even raise his hand up.
Yeah? You lie a lot. Your father is well.
I cannot even breathe. I'm not lying.
Your father is not breathing?
No, sir.
Oh. Do you know what? I am not going anywhere.
Sir, you have to go. I'll bring the sand. I'll bring the sand, sir.
You and your father, you guys are 419. 419. Yahoo people. You and your father. Your father is Yah. You are who? That is what you are. will sit down here and wait. I am not going anywhere. Ah, what's that? What do you mean? Put it here, put it here. Father is not well. Nonsense, I will sit down here and wait. But if you allow me to fall and hit my bum on the ground, a big contractor like me, who am I to get up? I will sit down here and wait. I'll wait. You think I'm here to joke? I'll wait. I'll wait till your father wakes up.
Mama, talk to her. I'm not living here. I'm not going anywhere.
Then tell her what she needs to know. Eh? Who is that little girl in your house?
Mama, that girl is a nobody. That girl is our house girl.
It's a lie, Mama, it's a lie. She called you Papa. There's more to that little girl.
The house girl can call somebody Papa. I say, stop calling me Papa, I'll kick her. Stop calling me Papa, I'll kick her.
Ayaka, you're lying. You better start talking, Mama. Mama, tell him to leave me alone. Ayaka, leave me alone.
Ayaka, leave her first. Eh? Nkoli is okay. Ayaka. Let it not be what I am thinking. Eh? Do not lie to me, Ayaka. I like you so much, and that is why I allowed you to be coming around my daughter. Don't lie to me, oh.
Mama, I'm not lying to you. That girl, they just brought her to our house. I don't know that girl. They just brought her and she will go. Don't worry, she will go. Today.
Ayaka, leave me alone.
It's okay. Leave her first. Leave her first, Nkole. Ayaka, leave my daughter! Nkole, leave him. Don't worry yourself. Just calm down. I will find out from his mother. I will find out the truth later. Okay. Leave him first. Leave him.
Ayaka, let's not be that you're lying to me. But I don't want what happened to Uju want to happen to me. Let's not be that you have a child with another woman. That I cannot take.
Never. See that girl? She's going. She must go. That's how I'll kill her.
Huh? Ayaka, leave me
His
alone.
mother will tell me the truth later. Don't worry.
Wait, are you for real? Like really? Benita? You will not kill me. Benita.
What?
Oh, my baby's here.
How are you?
Fine.
How you doing?
I'm fine, baby.
Hi.
I'm fine. You look tired.
Yes, I'm very, very tired. I decided to come and rest for a while before any other thing.
How was your day?
Fine. Actually, I'm just coming from that village we are doing that project.
Oh, okay. How did it go?
You know, I'm here to decide what to do to those people. They need to be taught a lesson, you know. But I know what to do today.
It's okay.
But baby, can you imagine? These people are...
Relax. You're just very tired. Besides, maybe a massage in the right place will do. Excuse me, little birds.
I have to take this call. It is from my sister.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
How is Papa's health now? Has he taken any medication yet? Sister, just all I need you to do right now is just to be calm. Take care of Papa. Sister, I don't have any money. I don't have anything. Okay, I promise I'll run around. Let me see if I can talk to one or two friends if they will help me out. Sister, I've heard you. I'll come to the village tomorrow. Please take care of Papa. I don't want anything to happen to him. Okay, sister.
Okechi's a witch. Do you know that since I married her, all that I've been doing has not been going well. Or I believe that she's behind the problems that I've been having. Okay, now the owner of the job that I'm doing is very worried. I don't even know how to explain that 30 million went down the drain. Okay, she's a witch. She wants to destroy me. She wants to ruin me. What do I do?
I promise you everything is going to be okay. Just calm down.
Everything cannot be okay. Because Chirokichi wants to destroy me. Everything cannot be okay. How do I explain 30 million? How do I explain it? Okay, the old man is sick now. The old man is sick. How do I recover the money I give to him to do that job? How do I recover all the money I paid him to get me sand? How?
I trust you. Very soon you'll find a solution to this problem. And everything will be okay. Relax. Okay?
The owner of the job is very worried. How do I explain all these things? What do I do?
Let's just spend time with each other, okay? That's what matters now. Just calm down, everything.
Hey, stop, Martina, what are you doing? Don't you know that this thing you are doing can cause erosion here? Yeah, if you want to pass, please pass. Don't disturb me. How can parking this sand now cause erosion? Do you know how many cars have hooked in this place because they cannot pass? Eh? Don't talk about us. Come. Don't talk to me rudely. Don't talk to me rudely. I have your mates that are feeding at home. How is that my problem? If you don't want to feed them, you eat all the food by yourself. Eh? Because I don't want any problem here. Because me parking sign in this place is not the main problem of this village. The main problem this village have is wicked elders like you. Eh? All of you wicked. And if they see you and they want to spot you on the middle of your hair now, there's no hair. You do wicked things too much. Let us first amend that problem before we come to me parking sand. You insult me? You insult me? Alright. I will report you to the Igwe Council, all the elders. I will report you. So I report to the police and the army. Just way back so I can do what I want to do. What is it? Alright, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Alright. Distracted me now. With his bald head.
Who is your papa? Welcome. Oh, you haven't eaten food? Eh? Look at the mountain of rice you went to carry. You are eating in my house. Soma, give me that food.
Give me my food.
If you come near me now, I will kick you. Look at you. You have come to this house to spoil things for me. Where is Mama?
Mama is not around.
If you come near me, one kick, you will see yourself in the compound. Are you okay? Oh, Mama is not around. Good. It's better that Mama is not around. It's time for me to send you out from this house.
I'm not going anywhere. This is my father's house. I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here.
Eh? Who is talking?
It's me. Look at me, I'm talking.
You are the one talking? Somebody, you are the one talking? Okay. You will see what I will do to you now. Thank God Mama is not around. You will see. Hold on, I'm coming. This is your bag. You are leaving my house. Oh yeah.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Mama Ayaka! Mama Ayaka! Where's the way?
How are
see. I'm even coming to see you. Yes, but it's even good I met you here.
Thank you.
Ned, you know we are friends. Exactly, I do. That is why I allowed your son to come close to my daughter. So that if it works out well for them to marry, fine.
You know, I support the women too. I support both of them getting close.
Good. Today, they were dragging us my house over a little girl. And your son ever said the girl is your sister's daughter. Lady, you and I know you don't have a sister. Your son now said again that the girl is a house help they brought to help you. I don't understand.
My sister, that innocent little girl is none of what my son said she is. Obele Mwafu is my son's daughter.
Your son's daughter?
It's my son's daughter. Not my sister. We are friends, so I won't keep anything away from you. Neither will I lie to you. But this matter is not something we will stand here to discuss. What's happening?
I understand.
I will explain everything to you, how it came to be. But it's a very long time thing. I'll bring from my daughter. And also, I won't want you to tell your daughter.
Okay, I shouldn't tell my daughter about it.
I will be the one to explain everything. You know, I want two of them to come together. And I don't want this issue of, sell little girl to be a barrier between them. I won't want it to stand.
No problem. When you come, I'll be waiting.
I will give it to you. I don't think you see. I know you see.
Yes, I know.
My regards to your daughter. I'm going to this. Let me go and get conflict from the end of the street. You are going back. So this is the reason you came to see me this afternoon.
Yes.
Hey, stop there! What's going on here?
Tell this rat to follow me home now.
Which rat? This rat! This rat was brought to my house to destroy my life. I'm going to kill it now. Follow me home.
Don't mind him. He's the land. I'm his daughter and he's my father. He cannot tell my father since. Okay, go. And now I don't want to accept him.
So, this man here, he prevented your mother. Not last week. Long ago. Okay. Yeah. Be responsible and take care of this girl. Huh? Are you not hearing? You think it's a child you're talking to? Long ago. Huh?
I will not do it though. Taking this girl home now is to go and kill her. Yes, once I take her home now, I'm going to butcher her. Now let's go. By the way, why are you packing sand here? You know that you said nobody should pack sand on the road.
So because I put my mouth in your mouth and it's not time for you to ask me why I'm packing sand. If I leave the sand, will you eat it? Yeah? Carry your daughter and go, please. Let me do my work I'm doing. I'm packing sand. Yeah? Follow your father.
Alright, let's go. Follow him. Move it now.
I'm not going with you.
You follow me.
I will not pack your sand.
I'm not going with you.
Follow, Baba. I go pack your sand. I go pack your sand.
I have work to do here. Or you run that way. Hey, you don't come back here. You don't come back here. Hey, I said, don't come back here. Kill again. Don't come back here. Don't come back here. Yeah, hey. I told you my own.
This love I got up in line. Makabura feature love I got up blind. Opera kisi kwada kosi emezi. This love I got up blind. Opera feel God eme.
You are doing?
I'm Pakistan. I made the Pakistan.
Pakistan.
I don't Pakistan. Will you eat it?
What did they worry?
Will you eat it?
Collect the shovel. Collect your hands. Martina. Collect the shovel. Martina. You don't do anything. Martina.
Don't you think it's a law against this land for anyone to take sand from this place?
Is it your sand?
It's a law against.
Are you going to eat the sand if you not?
So you are trying me this time?
Martina, you are trying me. Martina. I don't want to be your name. You don't carry power. You be man. What is that?
We must.
What is now?
Guys,
how you do like man now? Wait.
Go to this woman. What do you have in the palace?
Go back.
You not allow you for this town.
Martina.
Me and you for this town.
Martina.
Go back.
They follow man.
They don't do her now.
They do this and they do it.
Look, Martina. Martina. We are not running no.
For this town.
What do this get to the palace now?
Come on, for
I catch you for that way.
Martina.
Play for you, Abi.
Are you mad? Why are you wasting the sand?
Martina. Don't worry.
Let's get away from this place.
No problem.
Look at that one with his orange shirt and his big bumper. Look at you.
Let you know that we get this town.
Back at the king. What does that sound like you're wasting?
Happiness comes when you find person you love. Happiness comes when you find person.
Papa, what is it? What is happening to you? Why are you like this? Papa, do you want to die and leave us? You want me and sister to be orphans? Is that what you want to do?
It's just the contractor wants to kill me.
Who is this contractor and why is he doing this to you? Who is he?
You will be fine. My daughter. Don't worry. I will be fine. Your sister has come to see what she can do.
But you will not die. You will not die. You'll be fine. You'll stay alive for me and sister. Okay? Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. What will I do?
Mama, have you seen what I told you? I will deal with Ayaka.
His mother said she will come and explain well to us.
Let her not even come. I don't want to hear anything from anybody. Let her not come. It's over between her son and I. I don't want to do again.
She even said I should not tell you. Yes, she said I should not tell you. But because you are my daughter, I cannot hide this type of thing from you. But Nkole Ikamima, let us take it easy with Ayaka. Ayaka has been so good to us. Remember, he was the one that completed the flight ticket for your brother years back.
Mama, and so? And so? When my brother returns, you will pay him back his money. I don't want to see him again.
Don't worry, bro. Calm down.
Mama, don't tell me to calm down.
Let's just take it easy with him. Ayaka has been so good.
He's a good man. Light. So his lies are too much.
Ayaka is a good person. His own is not different.
Eh? Why are you driving this car? Ayaka, what has come over you? What is it? Give him a problem. What is your problem? I have never disturbed you with anything concerning her upkeep in this house. Why won't you leave her alone?
Mama, let her leave my house. Let her live my life. If you want to keep her, take her to your brothers. They might be needing house help. Yes, she can be sweeping house for them.
I will never do such a thing. I will never do such. Soma is my granddaughter. She's my blood, your blood. You want me to send her away in this big compound and house? I need more children. Are you not even ashamed of yourself? I have told you, I don't disturb you with anything concerning her upkeep. Leave her. If you don't want her, I want some ma.
Mama. Oh, you actually.
Let her stop calling me Papa. Let her stop calling me Papa.
Oh, you're my papa now.
What? Who is your Papa? Go to your mother and tell your mother to draw your Papa for you.
Look at her
You're
face.
my papa.
Which face?
Are you not seeing your
Mama, my face is not like yam. Her face is like yam.
Face does not look like yam.
Your face look like yam.
Oh, Mama.
Oh, Gio. Gio.
Chelo, I don't know what your problem is. If your problem is getting to know about her, then you don't have any problem. Because already I have told the mother about her. Yes.
Mama did what?
I have told the mother. But if Nkole told you that she cannot marry you because of this my beautiful daughter, start now to make plans of leaving her.
Yes.
Yes.
It's shocking.
Electric will shock you. Electric will shock you. You.
Electric.
You see you.
It's not possible.
Electric will shock you. You're asking me to shock you. Look at your mouth, Mama. She's asking me to shock you.
Your mouth like that.
With her mouth.
Same mouth.
Mama, you told Mama Nkole about this thing.
I have told her already.
Hey!
Mama Nkole, ma.
This girl has killed me. I said it. I said it. Get ready to die.
It's only because of the woman that he wants to marry. I want to live a full-fledged woman like this. He doesn't even know that you're better than him. If he doesn't want you, I want you. Talk to me now. Me that want plenty children in this compound call her cup. I call if any kind I was sad. What's wrong with this? How can you tell me that that girl defeated all of you?
Iche, she had shovel with her. And her motorboy, her motorboy was with her. You know she can be mad. She can be very, very mad.
Wait, again, like that, her motorboy defeated all of you. You do you have any sense? You should not make her pay! You should not hold her to pay you.
Abi, you should go and report her to the
report her to the do you have any place? Go to the reporter. That's all you want to say. Go to the reporter. Why do you think I refrained from reporting her yesterday? Don't you know that if I report her to the Igwe, every money she will pay, every couple will go into the community post and we shall be left with nothing. We shall have nothing. Don't you know?
DJ, you are right. What do you mean?
Hey!
Yes,
What do we do? Don't worry. I know what to do. I know exactly what to do. But you boys have fucked up. You wanna fuck go up and down. Let's go. I know what to do.
Happiness comes when you find person you love. Happiness comes when you find person you love.
Okay, now calm down.
You
don't check out. Yes.
Check out.
Stand back. It's alright.
Can't go that corner. Okay.
Sister, hi. Did you drive this?
That one is small thing now. It's small thing. When the going become tough, the tough become going.
Sister, I didn't know it has gotten to this point. Now, how will you be driving this thing?
It has passed it. I put another trailer on top of this one and we drive it too. It has passed it. How is Papa?
Papa's condition has gotten worse. It's now bad. So bad. Really bad.
When I was warning him, take it easy, Papa. Calm down, take it easy. He did not listen. You see now?
Maybe the pressure was too much on him. Do you think so? I just pray and hope he gets well soon.
He will. Where is the city?
Sister, the city is there. Survival of the fittest. You know how it is.
Yeah, before we conclude about the city and we discuss it, give me food. I'm very hungry. Hey.
Baby, please. Please. Eh? I like to lie to you because I love you.
You lied even when my mother was there.
I love your mother too.
I don't want to get married to you again.
Hi. Why are you doing this thing now? Why are you doing this thing now? Eh? See, anything you want me to do, I'm ready to do it. Even if you want us to kill that girl, I'll kill her.
I will not marry you again. I don't want problem. Then tomorrow the little girl will bring her mother back to you. Ayaka, I will not marry you again.
She will not bring her mother back. Eh? See, if you want me to kill that girl, I'll kill her.
Then kill her. Do it. Until then, I will not accept you back.
Okay. Put your ears on the ground for news. You will hear news spreading in the village. I'm going there now. You need to finish her. Wait.
Foolish man. If you like, kill your own daughter. Don't say, oh, Nkoli told you to kill her.
Sister, that contractor is very wicked. He's wicked. Why is he doing this to Papa?
Very useless.
Hey.
I even told him about Mama. He did not even care. He was there talking nonsense. I almost killed him.
Thank God you did not kill him. But sister, what are we going to do now? What is all this? What is happening? Sister, I don't want to follow those girls in the city and do what they do to make money. I know what I suffer in that city.
My daughter, you don't need to soil your hands to make money. Huh? Remember your family, where you come from.
Don't do anything that will bring any percussion. Just stay here and help me. We'll make it. You not worry. To the deeper with his food.
Remember family name, huh?
Ibeto, we are here. Martina, go and get us the 20,000 naira fine for taking community sand. Hurry up, don't waste my time, please.
Ebola, you can see I am sick. I'm not feeling fine.
It is not our business. It is not our business. Igwe said no one should take sand from the road today. And your daughter here did. She must pay us our money.
Yes. She must pay. She must pay.
She must pay.
Please.
See the play for it.
Because you need me. Please. I just my father. My father is sick.
Why are you begging him? Do not worry. I'm sorry. The 20,000 naira that is inside.
Yes.
You bring it for the community sand I took.
Yes.
That's what they are for. Why are you? Sorry. Iche, please sit down. I'm coming. Oh.
Please hurry up, don't waste my time. Masisa!
Why are you doing this to me?
Beto, don't call me. Don't call me. Okay, you say you are sick, eh? Okay, don't worry. We are coming back, eh? Boys, let's go.
Hey, stop! Stop! Where are you going? Stop! Come now! Hey, sister, you killed somebody. You killed somebody. Come!
Martina.
And see if I will not shave your beards with this shovel.
You don't have to do that, you know? My daughter.
Papa, we have to meet our target. Whatever I have to do to meet that target, I'm going to do it. Even if it means going back there again for sand, I will go there and take more sand.
My daughter, Igwe said we should not take sand. Huh? Please don't take sand again. Huh?
I would have shaved his entire beard with this shovel. We would have waited. Rose, please calm down. Don't stress yourself. Okay. Huh?
Opportunity come but once, so brother. Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Opportunity come but once, so brother. Whatever you do today, remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Makechi dime. Remember tomorrow. Remember tomorrow. Chakwechi tafuma. Makechi dime. Don't make yourself a god because of your position.